Good morning. My name is Manjunath, taking care for the procurement for Julphar, Gulf Pharmaceutical Industries in Ras Al Khaimah, UAE. So, Julphar is one of the largest manufacturer for the generics in the region, and we are one of the strongest manufacturer. So, we produce the tablets, syrups, capsules, all the range of pharmaceuticals products. We are one of the partner with the Vimachem right now for the OEE projects. The company has want to do for the operational excellence reports with the Vimachem. We are doing this now. I am taking care for this procurement part between the customers and with the Julphar. So we launched very recently with the OEE project Vimachem. Hopefully we can conclude it immediately in the soon coming days. We choose the Vimachem because of the most strongest the domain player in the OEE platform. Hence, there is a tough competition between the players. So we choose them because of their consistency, because of their soft skills, because of their customer relationships,